In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Spotify from Google Play Store. Should you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are encountering this, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. In the first method, you need to go ahead and tap on Play Store here and make sure that you are logged in with your Gmail and search for your app to install it on your smartphone. However, if you are already logged in with your Gmail account and you can't install it, then go ahead and tap on the profile icon here and then scroll down to settings. Now under settings, go ahead and look for network preference, and under network preferences, tap on app download preference. If you tap on this, make sure that you choose the first option over any network. This means that you can download and install apps from Play Store using any network that you are connected on. So go ahead and tap on OK and go ahead to try and now install your Spotify app. However, if it is still impossible, then go ahead and find your Play Store app, long press on it and find this app info option. Or if you can't see app info, just look for a settings gear or the name of the app and tap on it. And this will take you to the app info page. At this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data by Google Play Store. So one of the reasons why you might be unable to install this app, you might be unable to download apps from Play Store is because of accumulation of cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Google Play Store collects to enhance user experience. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data and choose now the second option, clear cache, and OK. Now at this point, restart your smartphone, and once you are done, now go back to Play Store, search for my app, and now here we go, we have Spotify here. Then go ahead and tap on install to see if the problem has been fixed. As you can see from my end, now I'm able to install Spotify on my Android smartphone. So that's how you can fix can't install Spotify from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.